Hello everyone. Course BSc Subject Physics Paper Semiconductor Devices Digital Electronics Laser and Fiber Optics. Subtopic Expression for Input Impedance and Output Admittance. Presented by Bomalingaya B, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Srimati Sri YER, Government First Aid College, Pavagada. Today we are going to discuss about the expression for input impedance and output admittance. Introduction. So in the last chapter we discussed about amplifiers characteristic parameters such as current gains and values of other circuit components. From this advantages were, so value of circuit components are easily available. The procedure followed is quite simple and easy to understand. Since results are not very accurate, to overcome this hybrid parameters method, analysis is used to get accurate results such as voltage gain, input and output resistances, etc. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the expressions of input impedance and output admittance or output resistances. Hybrid equivalent circuit of C amplifier is shown in figure. So here there is Vs. Vs is the signal source across the input port. Rs is the input impedance, and Ib is the base current, and RL is the load resistance across the output port. This is the output port and this is the input port. So here IB and IC are the input and output currents are taken. So IB is the input current, IC is the output current. IC is the IB is the input current, IC is the output current. Here also HI is the input impedance. So this is the HIE is the input impedance, HRE is the reverse voltage transfer ratio of the transistor. RS is the input resistance, and VI is the input voltage which can be measured across ground to the base of the C amplifier. So here HF is the forward current gain, or HRE is the reverse voltage transfer ratio of the transistor. RS is the input impedance, Vs signal source of across the input port, RL load resistance across the output port. Vi and V0 input and output signals are taken to be positive while flowing inward. This circuit is an AC equivalent circuit, and DC values do not appear in the circuit. So here these are the AC, these expressions are the AC circuit. So here the input impedance ZIE of the transistor is the impedance at the input terminals 1 and 1 prime. The input impedance here is the 1 prime is there. So this is the 1 prime. This is one ground. The ground level is 1 prime and the ground level is 2 prime. Here is there. So HIE is the input impedance, HOE is the output impedance, HF is the forward current gain, HRE is the reverse voltage transfer ratio of the transistor. Input impedance ZIE is equal to, it is defined as the ratio of the input voltage to the input current, VI divided by IB. That is known as VI divided by IB. But VI is equal to, according to Ohm's law, HIE IB plus HRE V0. That is equal to HIE IB plus HRE into minus ICRL, because V0 is equal to minus ICRL. That is equal to ZIE is equal to input impedance. Input impedance is equal to VI by IB. That is equal to HIE minus HRE RL into IC divided by IB. It is the ratio of IC to the IB. So that gives, because so that gives ZIE is equal to HIE minus HRE RL into AIE. AIE is known as current gain. So this is known as the current gain of the amplifier. So here ZIE is equal to minus HRE into HFE into RL divided by 1 plus RL into HOE. That is equal to equation number 1. Expression for output impedance Z0. We have to make another equivalent circuit which is not equivalent to the equivalent circuit, but this is the component of the equivalent circuit. RS is equal to IB. IB is the input current or base current flowing through the input port of the CE amplifier. So here HIE or H11 is the input resistance, and HRE is the resistance of the reverse voltage transfer ratio of the transistor. So HRE V0, into that can be written as H1 to V0. So here is the signal. Here is positive signal is upper side, and negative signal is lower side. That means negative terminal is connected to the ground here. So here also IE, emitter current, is moving to the ground, and also here HFE IB into H21 IB, that is to the output port. IC is flowing to the input, flowing to the amplifier. So here V0 is the measurable voltage at output. VC is equal to ZOE 1 by HOE into H22. So this is the component of the equivalent circuit for measuring output impedance Z0. Expression for output impedance Z0. The output impedance Z0 of an amplifier is defined as with the input signal Vs reduced to 0. Here Vs reduced to 0 and replaced by its internal resistance Rs and an AC voltage source V0. RMS applied to the output terminals, where IC is the current sent by the applied source. Since the current through the output resistance 1 by HOE is IC minus HFE IB, the output voltage V0 is given by V0 is equal to IC minus HFE into IB into volt divided by 1 divided by HOE, or HOE into V0 equals IC minus HFE into IB, that is equal to equation number 2. Expression for output impedance Z0. So we know that V0 is equal to IC minus HFE IB into 1 by HOE, or HOE is equal to, again we have to write these equations, HOE V0, that is equal to IC minus HFE IB 2. But the base current IB is given by IB is equal to minus VRE V0 divided by HIE plus RS. This is the base current. Substitute IB in equation number 2. We have to substitute in equation 2 in this equation. So IB base current is put in this equation. We will get HOE V0 equals IC plus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus RS into V0. So R V0 into HOE minus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus RS, that is equal to IC. Or ZOE equals V0 divided by IC, 1 divided by HOE minus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus RS. Therefore, ZOC is equal to HIE plus RS divided by HOE into HIE plus RS minus HFE into HRE. This is the output impedance of the C hybrid equivalent of a C amplifier circuit. This is equation number 3, which is the required equation. References. So these are the books through which you can study for getting the more information about C amplifiers. Thank you, one and all.